Hello and welcome back to another episode on YouTube. So we all know that obviously vivid hair colors do fade. So this video is going to be about what I recommend for my clients to help them fade out better. So as you can see, my hair is quite in need of a wash at the moment, which I thought would be perfect to make this video. I did have pink, purple, orange all through it, and now it's really just faded out. And what I recommend is these two products right here. So I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with a purple shampoo. A lot of people with blonde hair will use a purple shampoo like this. It is quite literally purple. And what this will do is help to keep those yellow tones out of your hair, because when you get your hair done at the hairdressers and it's all nice and pretty, and then you go away and after a few weeks it starts going yellow, so you'll use this. But the thing is with this, we can also use this to help assist us in the vivid fade out, because what happens is those bright colors that have been put onto the hair, they fade off, and as they fade off, the yellow that was underneath when we did the bleaching starts to reappear. So if we use this, we can control the yellow that's underneath those colors and help those colors fade out better. You know, when you see yucky vivids and they've faded out all green and they don't look nice, introducing this will assist your fade out and stop it from looking yucky and just keep it looking nice. Purple shampoo all the way, and that's what you'll do, like if you want to fade out to pastel. Otherwise, if you don't do this, then you'll usually just, it's time to refresh your color. But if you want to enjoy those real pastel colors for a little while longer, this is what I'm going to suggest. And the other thing is not only just a purple shampoo. If you want to go the other way and maybe you want to keep your hair a little bit on the pinker side or a little bit on the warmer kind of side, you can actually get pink shampoo. This brand, Muvo, is my favorite. It's just, I've used a lot of different kinds, and yeah, these are my favorite. I'll show you the pink, but like you could do this with any brand you wanted. It's not like brand specific. So that's what the pink looks like. And yeah, same principle. You don't want to do this too soon. I will just add, don't do this while the colors are still nice and bright, because it can actually have the reverse effect and it can actually fade your color faster. This is what I would start introducing after the 6-week mark. When you've got to that point where you're no longer trying to preserve the color and it's faded out and you're ready to just let it fade, that's when I'll introduce these, not before then. Very important. What I want to do for you today is just a little test. I'm going to do one half of my hair with the pink, and I'm going to do one half of my hair with the purple, and then I'm going to give it a nice wash and smooth so that you can see the effects. And with these, if you leave it on for 10 minutes, you're going to get a much better result than if you only shampoo it just sort of quickly. So what I'll do is put them on, and I'll just leave them on for about 5 minutes, and then I'll rinse. But the longer, the more of a result you're going to get. But yeah, 5 minutes I think is realistic. So let's wash my hair and get these in and show you what it looks like. So I've just given my hair 2 shampoos in the beginning just to get it nice and clean. And I might just mention to you what I have used is a deep cleansing shampoo, because I haven't washed my hair for a very long time. It's definitely been at least a week. There's quite a lot of buildup in there. I like to begin, before I introduce the colored shampoos, I like to begin with a deep cleanse. So we've had 2 shampoos so that my hair is nice and clean. Now I'm going to divide it into halves. On one half I'm going to put purple, on the other half I'm going to put pink, and I'm not actually going to lather it a whole heap because I'm not really using this to wash my hair as much as I'm just kind of using it as a toner. Alright, so I'm going to begin on this side with the purple, and if you are a little bit afraid of staining on your hands, you might want to wear a pair of gloves. I'm not too worried because the stain seems to come off pretty quickly. So I've got a liberal amount of product, and I'm just going to put it in and focus it on the parts of my hair that are blonde. You can see it's very purple. I mean, you know, you can give it a little bit of a lather if you want to. See what I mean? But that's kind of good. That's what you want in a purple shampoo. If you're looking for something that's really strong, if it's staining your skin like this, you know it's pretty strong. So yay Muvo. And on the other side, we're gonna do about 3, I did about 3 pumps on the other one, so 3 big pumps depending on your length. And that's the pink. And yeah, we'll just blob that on again, focusing it on the parts of my hair that are blonde. You know, one thing I love about these Movo products is they're really not very drying at all. That's something that I notice with purple shampoos, especially the really strong ones, is that they're quite drying on the hair, and this is not. And there we go. And now I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes. Oh, I've missed a bit of hair. I can go pink. All right, 5 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it off, come back, give it a blow dry and show you the results. So I'm back with the finished result. I've just given it a nice smooth blow dry and straighten, and you can definitely see the difference in the purple shampoo, which is much more ashy, and the pink shampoo, which is much more warm. My personal preference, I like pink. I think it suits me better. It's me. But you know, there's many of you clients that are gonna want this kind of ashy look too. So that's what I've done. And yeah, it's just a really good little tip to help you like assist in the fade out from your vivids. It's a really good thing to know, and it's a really good thing to be able to offer your clients. Maybe if you have someone that's had like mermaid sort of colors done and they've got a really cool color scheme, you want to recommend them this, because remember what happens when the color fades and the yellow starts reappearing and there's still that little bit of blue on the hair, you end up with a lovely gungy green. This can stop that. And maybe if you've got someone that's had some pinks done and they're like more of a warmer kind of color, you can recommend something like this as well. And this will just assist in the fade out. So I'm not going to recommend that too soon though, because I don't want it to actually fade the vivid. I want it to just assist me in the fade out, in like getting it nice pastel colors back to blonde. Wow, you can definitely see the difference there. I'm a pink girl, I like pink. Yes, so I hope that that has been a helpful video. I hope that you've learned something today, and maybe you can do it yourself, or maybe you can recommend something like this for your clients as well. But it really does make a huge difference, especially if you're wanting to go right back, fade right back out to blonde. Yeah, and that's it. I might just write down the name of the products and just leave a little link down below in the description for this video, just so that you know where to find them. But it's not like a brand specific thing. You can use any colored shampoo that you like, one that is intended to color blonde hair, and it will change your vivid fade outs forever. Don't forget, oh, bye-bye, the hand is going. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe if you've liked this video, and subscribe to see more on my YouTube channel. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.